live stream is getting more popular than ever, and also getting the right streaming settings for you to be able to push out your content to your audience is also very, very important. In this video, I want to share with you the latest and also the best live streaming settings that you can use on OBS to get that crisp looking videos to your audience. Now, one thing we usually experience when it has to do with live streaming is that we experience some of these lagging footages, and also we also experience some blurry images. So with this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the easy step on how you can address that issue. So once you come over to the settings on OBS, you are going to come over to stream. Select the stream service. That is the platform that you want to stream to. You can choose anyone depending on your choice that you are already thinking of using. So once you come to the output, you are going to click on the output mode and make sure you turn it to advanced so that you'll be able to have this interface looking like this. Then you are going to come to the first one, which says streaming. Then come over to this place where it says video encoder and make sure that this H.264 is selected. That is what you are going to use. Then on the rescale output, make sure that it is unchecked. You understand? Rescale output, make sure that it is unchecked. Like you don't leave it the way it is. Then you come here to the video settings or the encoder settings. Then you are going to, whichever this thing that you are, make sure that you turn the CBR on. So here on the bitrate, you are going to do a network test to know how strong your network is. That would determine the amount of number you are going to input here. So for this, I'm going to leave it at 2005. And if you don't know how to do the network test, I'm going to be doing a short follow-up video to show you how that is done. Then here on the CPU usage, make sure that you move it from this to very fast. Then you are going to now leave all these ones like this. And again, you are going to also come over to your video, and you are going to see this base canvas resolution. Make sure that you select the particular one that you like. It could be the 1920 by 1080, but here I have the 1280 by 720. Don't bother about all this blanked out because I've already set it up for something. But one thing I want to point out is that whatsoever your base canvas resolution is, make sure that that is also what your output resolution is, so that the system does not find it hard trying to balance each other. So if you are using 1920 by 1080, make sure that 1920 by 1080 is also on the output scaled resolution. Then once that is done, you are going to come over here to the common FPS value. Then you are going to select either 60, that is if you want a smoother looking video, or you can use 30 depending on which one you prefer. So here on the advanced, you are going to set your video color format to NV12. That is this. I already have everything set up. Then you on the stream delay right here, make sure that it is unchecked. Once it is unchecked, you just click on the OK to apply these settings to your live stream, and just with that you are good to go. Now, by using these optimized settings, you are sure going to get a very good stream without any further problem. But while this is also going on, it is also very much advised that you make sure that you have a very good PC that has RAM and also GPU, and also that your CPU is also very okay, because if you don't have that, there is every tendency that you may still be experiencing the same issue. Please, if you find this tutorial very helpful, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to follow us across all our social media platforms for more informative content like this. Till I see you again, have a pleasant time.